Hello, friends. So let's see the 6 characteristics of successful people. That is persist until successful. So, friends, this is the single most property or characteristics of successful people. It doesn't matter whether you are talented or not currently, but if you persist on the single path, regardless of any setback, any unexpected events, you will definitely achieve your goal. So this is the property, that is persistence, will make you differ from others. And with this property only, whether you are doing job, business, or any other work, if you persist on a single path or in a single mission, you will definitely achieve your goal. So friends, that's all for this particular chapter. I will come up with another characteristics of successful people. Till then, bye bye, see you again.